We're going to show you what's in the bags. Each homeroom gets a blanket,
ornaments to make, and then Christmas cards to write nice messages in.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie Ashley, and we're going to show you how to make the blanket. First, you're going to keep the pins that are already pinned into the corner. Do not take them out until the very end.
And then you're going to take your two pieces and you're going to cross them like this. And you're going to tie it like that, and then do that once again. And then just keep going down the whole line.
And once you're done tying all the way down, you're going to take out the pins, and there you have your blanket.
This is what your finished blanket should look like.
And don't forget to take out the pins.